Lok Sabha laga opposition leader Rahul Gandhi bra session loa homoy arop lagaishagi BJP led Modi sarkar laga policies aro politics karne Manipur laga chamala do civil war de lui jaise. Rahul Bargushagi BJP sarkar laga politics aro policies bra Manipur do cholai dishe aro ajitak teish laga Prime Minister Narendra Modi Manipur de visit nakuri ginase. Rahul Bargushagi sarkar laga harkat saishaguli Manipur do India laga hissa nataka nishna se. Rahul Bar mentioned Krishagi Prime Minister Garne Manipur State to Nai aro civil war jan hoy. Rahul Bra Manipur de visit kura aro Twitter chati Mete aro Kuki logot Lokpa Chanaishe aro Manipur laga halat upar BJP sarkar sorom khabuli lage koigna house tegushe.
कश्मीर लद्दाख से आपने पहली बार स्टेट छीना है, मणिपुर को आपने सिविल वॉर में डुबा दिया है। मणिपुर को आपने और आपकी योजनाओं ने, आपकी पॉलिटिक्स ने जला दिया है और आज तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री मणिपुर नहीं गए हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री के लिए मणिपुर स्टेट ही नहीं है। मणिपुर में सिविल वॉर हो ही नहीं रही है और एक बार बयान दिया हमने, मतलब प्रेशर लगाया, हम गए, हमने प्रधानमंत्री से कहा एक मैसेज दे दीजिए, मणिपुर चले जाइए, जनता की वहां रक्षा कीजिए। नहीं, कुकीज और मेहते इससे दोनों से मिला, आज तक नहीं, आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, मिल नहीं सकता। मणिपुर इनके लिए हिंदुस्तान का प्रदेश ही नहीं है, मणिपुर है ही नहीं, मणिपुर है ही नहीं, ना होम मिनिस्टर के लिए ना प्रधानमंत्री के लिए, है ही नहीं, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, वो है ही नहीं। ना प्रधानमंत्री जाएंगे बोलेंगे कुछ नहीं, जैसे कुछ नहीं हुआ वहां पे। मैं रिलीफ कैंप में गया, एक औरत कांपती हुई रोती हुई मुझे कहती है कि मैंने अपनी आंखों के सामने, हाँ मैं औरतों की बात कर सकता हूं,
एक भाई
मैं कर सकता हूं,
एक भाई कर्तव्य निभा रहा।
आप अपने संगठन में महिलाओं को नहीं डालते हो, मगर मैं औरतों की बात कर सकता हूं। मेरे आंखों के सामने मेरे बच्चे को गोली मारी गई। मैं भागना नहीं चाहती थी, मैं मरना चाहती थी, उसके साथ मरना चाहती थी। मुझे घसीट के वहां से ले गए और फिर मेरे को अपने बच्चे की फोटो दिखाती है, कांपती हुई ऐसे फोटो दिखाती है। ये आपकी योजनाओं का नतीजा है, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
Manipur laga nutun Lok Sabha elected Congress MP at Komjam Pimol Akoi Jamra Manipur laga chamala upar Modi sarkar gi hamla krushe. Modi sarkar Manipur laga chamala upar chupchap taka aro President Murmu laga address ti Manipur laga halat upar kota nakura karne Akoi Jamra criticize krushe. Akoi Jamra gushege Manipur di 60,000 upar manukan kor nataki ase aro sarkar laga harkat saisha kwile. Sarkar gane state aro chandaga do matter nakure. Akoi Jamra gushegi Chidia Prime Minister Modi bra Manipur laga halat upar kota krushe kwile. Tai chupchap takiwo.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am just trying to, Mr. Chairman, I am drawing your attention to the absence of Manipur in the President's address. This is not a simple absence. It is a reminder of a Rashtra Chetna which excludes people. You must realize that more than 60,000 people are languishing in relief camp in wretched conditions for the last 1 year. If anybody is read partition of this subcontinent, which I have done, I was associated with a research project. We have interviewed more than 1,500 survivors of partition of 1947, and you are witnessing the same thing. People are living in wretched conditions that I cannot even mention here. 60,000 people homeless is not a joke. 200 plus people died. And there has been a civil war-like situations where people are armed to the teeth and roaming around and fighting each other, defending their villages. And the Indian state is a mute spectator to this tragedy for 1 year. I must remind this House, and yet our Prime Minister remained mute, not even a word. And the presidential address did not even mention that. I must ask these questions to the House. Is this silence communicating to the people of the Northeast, and Manipur in particular, that you don't matter in the Indian state scheme of things? And that's the silence. And the silence on the Manipur tragedy is not unique. It is a reflection of this general continuity of the colonial in the post-colonial. It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with this silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. Beating the BJP cabinet minister, think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish, and a pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you bring that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and the Nationalist Party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face.
Emporium Nagaland is India's premier aviation, hospitality and cruise line training and international job placement consultancy. Trained and blessed over 20,000 youths from Nagaland in prestigious international brands. The only institute in Nagaland that hosts top airlines, cruise and 5-star hotel campus interviews. The first institute to conduct international cruise campus interview in Northeast. We are open to students of class 10 and above. Emporium provides 100% placement assistance, empowering educated unemployed youths with global opportunities.